Hi, hello bachcho. Welcome back to my channel Maths Lageraho. In today's class we will learn determinants 5 marks 12th question dear students. What they had asked, let us see. Solve the system of linear equations by matrix method. X minus y plus 3z is equal to 10. X minus y minus z is equal to minus 2. 2x plus 3y plus 4z is equal to 4. This is the given question dear students. This is a very easiest question, lollipop sum you can say. Easily you can solve like in previous videos we have solved many sums. So now similarly you can solve this also. First you write the given. The given system of linear equations. Linear equations can be written in the form Ax is equal to B dear students. So Ax is equal to B. So where what is A, what is X and what is B? Where A is equal to I will write here. See which bracket I am using. Square bracket dear students. Don't write parallel lines. Parallel lines no. It is a square bracket dear students. You have to use square bracket for writing A. So A how we will write you see. In front of X what number is there? Nothing is there means 1 will be there. 1 you write. In front of Y what it is? Minus. So minus 1 it will become. In front of Z it is what? 3 dear students, 3 you write. Again same case will follow in second row also. Second equation you see again x is having 1, y is having how much? Minus 1 and z is having how much? Minus 1 dear students. So and what this is again 2 here, x is having 2 number coefficient, y coefficient you see here that is 3, coefficient means number only. Z is having what? 4 dear students. This is one matrix. I mean A dear students. So now what is X now? X is what you see. X is equal to, how to write in board exam, see properly. This is also I am using square bracket only. Don't get confused. X is nothing but, capital X is nothing but small x, y, z dear students. Small x, y, z these are. And what is capital B? B is nothing but, all of you know this very well. But still the way of writing I will explain you. So B is what? That is 10 minus 2 and this is 4. B values are 10 minus 2, 4. This is a B. So why we have written Ax is equal to B you know. If you multiply A into X you know how to multiply a matrices. Row into column you will do. So first row, first column you multiply 1 into X is X, minus 1 into Y is minus Y. 3 into z is 3z. That is equal to B you are told. That is equal to 10 it will become. First row, first column. Same only will get. If you want you can multiply and check. You will get the same answer second equation. So that's why we will write it as what? Ax is equal to B dear students. So now after this how to write? This Ax is equal to B is there? No. If you take A on this side, it will become what you know? X is equal to C. It will become A inverse into B dear students. What it will become? If you take A on RHS side, A will become what? A inverse. See the way of writing. A raised to minus 1 I have written dear students. That's why we will say it is a inverse, not A dash. A raised to minus 1 into B. I will call this as equation number 1 dear students. Then A inverse, how to find A inverse? Where? A inverse is what? You see here. I will write the how to find A inverse also. A inverse is equal to, see here. A inverse I will find you know. We have a formula 1 upon determinant A into adjoint of A dear students. Adjoint of A. ADJ means what? Adjoint of A dear students. And this is determinant A. This is the way of finding what? A inverse. So now first we will find A inverse. That in this question system of linear equation is there? No. We have to find the xyz values dear students. these unknowns are there, no, that we have to find here. For that, I have to find x value means I have to find first what? A inverse only. A inverse I have to find. Then A inverse finding, what is the formula? Determinant A. Determinant A is equal to 0 or not equal to 0, we have to check. So let us find what determinant A, dear students. So determinant A, see how I am writing now. Parallel lines I had used. Determinant A will be represented by parallel lines. It looks like a modulus only, but actually it is not a modulus. Got it? So determinant will say. Determinant will write now. So what is your A? You can see. A I will write. A is what? 1 minus 1 and 3. 1 minus 1 minus 1. 1 minus 1 minus 1. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4 dear students. And you know the formulas very well. These signs are very well known for you now. Plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus. So now I am going to expand here first row dear students. Expanding first row means this is your first row. Can you see? Plus, minus, plus. Your first row is here what? 1, minus 1, 3. So I have to expand what now? Row 1. So now whichever you want you can expand dear students. I am not saying you have to expand row 1 only. If you want you can expand whichever you like. Row 1, row 2, row 3 or column 1, column 2, column 3 dear students. So here I am going to expand with what? Row 1. Whichever you are expanding, no, please write dear students this. Expand R1. I am writing no. If you are expanding different R2 means you write R2. Expand R2. Please write this one. Otherwise sometimes they may remove your marks dear students. So be careful. Don't give the marks easily to remove for the evaluator. So now see here how to solve this one now. First row. Plus into plus 1. Plus 1. Now every time I had told you leaving this first row, first column and writing in determinant. Today I will do directly dear students. Now how to solve this one you see here. Plus into plus 1 plus 1. Where it is there? This is there in first row, first column you leave. What will remains now? Minus 1, 3, 4. Yes or no? 1 is in where? In first row, first column you leave. You are remaining with minus 1, 3, 4. So how to multiply you see? Minus 1 into 4. Minus 4 you have to write. Then you have to write minus. Before multiplying this and this, you have to write minus sign dear students. How I am multiplying? Minus 1 into 4 is minus 4. Before multiplying 3 into minus 1, you write minus sign first. This is the rule of determinant dear students. So now 3 into minus 1, minus 3. So here comes one and one, this one. So now minus into second now you see. Minus into minus plus 1 dear students. So now see, you leave first row, second column now. Where minus 1 is there? In first row, second column. What you are left with? 1, minus 1, 2, 4. Now you have to multiply 1 into 4. 4 dear students. Minus I will write. You know before multiplying this and this, minus should be written. So 2 into minus 1 is minus 2 dear students. So next plus into 3, plus 3, very perfect. So 3 where it is? In first row, last column you do. You are remaining with 1, minus 1, 2, 3. 1 into 3, 3 dear students, minus you write. 2 into minus 1, that is minus 2 dear students. So how much you will get? You see, simplification you know very well. Minus into minus, plus 3, plus 1 I will write as it is. Minus into minus, plus 2, 3 is written as it is. Minus into minus, plus 2 dear students. I hope everyone are understanding. So now see here. 1 minus 4, 3 is how much? That is minus 1. And 1 I will write as it is. 4 plus 2 is 6. And this is what? 3 plus 2 is 5 dear students. So now see, 1 into minus 1, minus 1. 1 into 6, 6. 3 5s are 15 dear students. So now see, minus 1 plus 6, that is 5. 5 plus 15 is 20 dear students, and my determinant value is how much? Determinant A is equal to 20 and 20 is equal to 0. 20 is equal to 0? No. So then it is not equal to 0 means A inverse exists. This is you have to understand. Why we are saying this only we are finding first. If it is becoming equal to 0, 1 by 0 is what? Not defined dear students. A inverse does not exist if it is not defined. And that's why you have to check determinant value is 0 or not. So that's why determinant is not coming 0 means A inverse exists. So therefore you can write A inverse exists. I hope this much is clear for you. So please copy this. Let us continue the answer and we'll find next what? Adjoint of A dear students. So please copy this one. I hope all of you have copied. Now let us find what? Adjoint of A dear students. So already we got determinant A and let us find what? Adjoint of A. To find adjoint of A dear students. So how to find the adjoint of A? Very easiest way is that, so there are many methods dear students. According to Karnataka board, we are solving this one. So because in exam they should not remove your marks. There are several methods are there. We have another 2 methods to solve. In JW we will solve in 2 minutes. So but that method can't be applied here. We have to follow the rules of board NCERT. That's why we are doing like this only. Don't get confused dear students. So now to find adjoint of A, how to find, you see here. We have to find the cofactors now. Cofactors means A11 we have to find. So next A12, next will come A13 dear students. So these are the cofactors. As you know, their signs will remain same. Sign means plus, minus, plus. So these signs you know very well. So those only we have to write here. So next is what? This determinant you write. See, I am writing determinant dear students. Don't get confused. Determinant I am using here. So next that is A21, A21, A22 and next A23. You know again signs are what? Minus, plus, minus. Same thing you write. Minus, plus, minus. And again you write determinants. So use the determinant properly. So now next is what? A31. A31 you see, that is next is what? A32 and next is A33. These are the cofactors we have to find dear students. So now here what is the sign you see? Plus, minus, plus again. Plus, minus, plus dear students. And determinant I will use. So determinants you have to use. I had already told you. So now how to solve this one you see. A11. A11 means this is said to be a what? First row, first column dear students. This is first row, first column. So for always a row will come front, afterwards column will come. A11 means you have to leave first row, first column. First row you leave, first column you leave. See, I am saying first row you leave, first column you leave. What you are left with? Minus 1, 3, 4. You write that. Minus 1, 3, 4 dear students. I hope it is clear. A12 now. A12. See here, A12 is what? First row, second column. First row, second column. That means you leave first row, second column. What you are left with? 1, minus 1, 2, 4 dear students. 1, minus 1, 2, 4. Now next, first row you leave, third column. This is first row, third column. First row you leave, third column you leave. This is the first row, third column you leave. You are left with 1, minus 1, 2, 3. 1, minus 1, 2, 3 dear students. Yes, understood everyone? Understanding or not? If you are understanding, please like my channel. Don't forget. So मैं तो आपको पैसे नहीं पूछ रहा हूँ. Just we need what? Guru Dakshina. Guru Dakshina means you have to like and comment. If you like means. So please comment it. Don't forget. So A to 1. Now see, second row. First is coming means that is row and afterwards column. You have to leave second row, first column now. Second row you leave, first column you leave. See here, second row you leave, this row, first column you leave. What you are left with? Minus 1, 3, 3, 4. Minus 1, 3, 3, 4 dear students. Clear everyone now? So now next is what? Second row, second column you leave. Second row leave, second column you leave. 1, 3, 2, 4. 1, 3, 2, 4 dear students. So next is what? Second row you leave, third column. Can you see second row, third column? Second row you leave, third column you leave. 1, minus 1, 2, 3. 1, minus 1, 2, 3. Clear? So next is what? Third row you leave, first column. Third row you leave, first column you leave. What you are left with? Minus 1, 3, minus 1, minus 1. Third row, first column I am leaving dear students. Minus 1, 3, minus 1, minus 1. So next is what? Third row, second column you leave. Third row you leave, second column you leave. 1, 3, 1, minus 1. 1, 3, 1, minus 1. Clear? Third row, second column I am leaving. 1, 3, 1, minus 1 we will left. Clear? Third row, third column you leave. Third row, third column means 1, minus 1, 1, minus 1. See, third row, third column if I leave means 1, minus 1, 1, minus 1 we are getting. Clear everyone? This is clear everyone? Understood? No? Very perfectly. So now see here. A11 let us find now. Plus sign is that if you write also fine, if you not write also doesn't make any sense. Directly I will write now. Minus 1 into 4, minus 4 dear students. When you are multiplying 3 and minus 1, I had already told you, don't forget dear students. When you are multiplying ulta no, from here to here, that time you write minus first. 3 into minus 1 is minus 3. How much you will get? You see, minus 4 plus 3 and you will get minus 1 dear students. This is your A11. I hope everyone clear. So A12 let us check. Outside minus is there, don't forget that. Outside minus है, minus को बोलना नहीं, परगड़े minus है मरीबार. So 1 into 4 is 4. Before multiplying this and this, minus sign I have to write 2 into minus 1, minus 2 dear students. So then minus minus into minus plus 2, 4 plus 2 is 6, 6 into minus is minus 6 dear students. A12 value is what? Minus 6. Understood? So now A13. So plus sign is there, you may not write or you may not, doesn't matter. 1 into 3, 3 minus 2 into minus 1, minus 2 dear students. So this will give 3 minus into minus plus 2. So that is 3 plus 2 is 5 dear students. This is what? A13. I hope everyone are understanding what I am doing. Clear? So now next is what? You see next things are there here. A21. Now minus sign I will write here. So now you again cross multiply. See, minus 1 into 4, minus 4. Before multiplying minus sign, 3 3s are 9 dear students. So how much you will get? You see, minus 4 or minus 9 is minus 13 dear students. Are you getting? Minus 4 or minus 9 is minus 13. Minus into minus plus 13. That is your A21. Clear? Chamka ke nahi? Chamka chamka? Understood? Very good. So now see. A22. How to solve? You see. 1 into 4. Plus sign is there. You may write or you may not write. The lollipop questions are there. So 1 into 4 is 4. Minus 2 3s are 6. 4 minus 6 is minus 2 dear students. This is your A22. Clear everyone? So now A23 you see. A23. So now minus sign is there. Please write that. Minus, don't forget, here only many of you will go wrong. 1 into 3. 3 minus right. 2 into minus 1 minus 2. So how much you will get, you see? 3 minus into minus plus 2, you will get minus 5, dear students. 3 plus 2 is 5, 5 into minus is minus 5, dear students. This is your A23. Clear? Understood? So now A31. So A31, I will write here, dear students, because light is reflecting. So that's why here I will write with a small, please try to understand. I'm sorry for that. So now see what plus sign is there, you may write or you may not write. Minus into minus, here minus into minus plus 1 into 1, 1, dear students. This is a 1, you are seeing, I think. Minus you write, minus 1 into 3, minus 3. So you will get here A31. Directly I will say little bit space is not there. I am really sorry for that. Please try to understand my problem. So minus into minus plus 3. 3 plus 1 is 4, dear students. I hope this is clear. Understood, no? Fine. Very good. So now see. Now A32. Please, if you are seeing this properly, please comment me. Sir, we can observe. Fine. So you are understood means understood, you say in comment. So I will be very clear. Then I will be very happy if you are understanding. Minus sign is a minus sign you write, dear students. 1 into minus 1, minus 1, minus you write. 1 into 3 is 3. Before multiplying 1 into 3, you should have to write minus sign. You know that. So minus I will write minus 1 or minus 3 is minus 4, minus into minus plus 4. This is A32. Clear everyone? A32 is how much? 4. So now next A33. A33 how to find, you see. Plus sign is that you may write or you may not write, doesn't matter. 1 into minus 1, minus 1. Before multiplying this and this, minus sign you write. Bracket. See, 1 into minus 1 is minus 1, dear students. So this will come as minus 1, minus into minus, that is plus 1. Yes. Plus 1 and minus 1 is equal to how much? 0. A33 value is equal to how much? 0, dear students. I hope it is clear how to find adjoint of A. I mean cofactors we are saying. Clear everyone? So please copy this side. We'll continue the answer. Please copy. I hope all of you have copied. Now let us find what adjoint of A. So therefore, adjoint of A, how to write, you see, I am using in matrix. I have seen many of the students will write this in parallelly. Determinant लगाता है. Determinant अन्ना हस्तेरी. Determinant अल्ला matrix अन्ना हस्बेको. अर्थाइता matrix को लगाना है. Determinant नहीं तो lose हो जाएगा marks. Please, I request you remember this. So matrix it is. Adjoint of A is A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. Actually, this is also not required. This is also not required to write down. But why I am writing? You have to understand which value where I am putting. So here we are finding these values. How you want, according to that we can't put here. So according to this rules only we have to find. This is the definition of what? Adjoint of A, dear students. I hope it is clear. So now see here what will happen. So adjoint of A, see what is the adjoint of A? A11 is how much? Minus 1. So minus 1 you write according to how I have written, no? Same only adjoint of A is there. Can you observe or not? You see. A11 is minus 1. A12 is how much? Minus 6. Minus 6. See, according to that only I have written. A13 is how much? 5, dear students. And A21 you see. A21 is how much? 13. 13 I can write. A22, that is minus 2. A23 is how much? Minus 5. And A31 is how much? 4. A32 is 4. And this is 0 last. A33. Sorry dear students, that is 4, 4, 0. Clear? 4, 4, 0. Clear? Understood everyone? Adjoint of A. Pakka? So now see. Therefore, equation 1 becomes. Therefore, equation 1 becomes. So how equation 1 will become? You already written, dear students. X is equal to what? X is equal to what you have written? A inverse into B. So X is equal to A inverse into B you have written. A inverse is what? What I have written A inverse? 1 by determinant A into adjoint of A. So 1 by determinant A. What is determinant A? Determinant value is how much? 20. 1 by determinant A into adjoint of A. Adjoint of A, it is there here only. Minus 1, 13, 4, minus 6, minus 2, 4, 5, minus 5, 0 dear students. This is your adjoint of A. And into B. B also we have written, no? Like this we have written. Can you remember or I don't know? So just now I told you most probably in your notes it is there. On the board it is not there because board is small dear students. I am sorry for that. So X is equal to A inverse into B. A inverse means what? 1 by determinant A into adjoint of A into B. B is what? So what is B you are having? B I will see and write. That is 10 minus 2, 4 dear students. 10 minus 2, 4. You are having that B value. Please go through this. Clear? So I will erase this one. This is not required for us. So now see. X is equal to, very easy to solve because you know how to multiply matrices dear students. How to multiply you know very well. Better than me will do, I know that. So now see, row into column. First row, first column. First element to first element you multiply. Minus 1 into 10. Minus 10. Second to second. 13 into minus 2. Minus 26. And third to third. 4 4s are 16 dear students. I hope it is clear. Everyone. Understood? What I am doing? Understood? First row, first column. Only one it is term. All together only one is there. First row, second is there means I would have jumped. But first row, second column is not there. That means only first row, first column means only one term. So now next second row, first column now. Minus 6 into 10. Minus 60. Minus into minus plus 2 2s are 4. 4 4s are 16 dear students. Next 5 into 10. 50. Third row, first column now. Minus into minus plus 5 2s are 10. 0 into 4, 0 dear students. So now you simplify this, how much you will get? You see 1 by 20 and now see how much we will get. Minus 26 plus 16 is how much? Minus 20 will minus 10 you will get. Minus 10 minus 10 how much it is? Minus 20 will get. I hope. Clear no? This is minus 10 minus 10. See, otherwise we will do direct also like this only. Minus 10 minus 26 minus 36. Minus 36 plus 16 is minus 20. Minus 36 is greater number. Comparatively, 16. So greater sign remains dear students. Minus 20. 4 plus 16 is 20. Minus 60 plus 20. Minus 60 plus 20 is minus 40 dear students. 50 plus 10 is 60. 60 plus 0 is 60. Don't write 0. No, otherwise you will lose the marks. So now see here. What will happen? 1 by 20 you multiply means 20 into 1 like this I am saying. 20 into minus 20 it will become. 1 by 20 into minus 20. 20 get cancelled. 1 into minus 1 is minus 1 we are saying. 21 are 20, 2s are 40 no, there is minus is there, minus 2 you will get. 21 are 23s are dear students. So therefore you compare with your x. X was what? Small x, y, z, no? So your x value is how much? Therefore x value is minus 1, y value is minus 2 and z value is equal to 3. And this is our required answer, my dear students. Understood everyone? So I hope it is clear. So if you are understanding the video, please like my channel. I request you, and subscribe those who are not subscribed. Each like will inspire me to do the next video, dear students. I hope you will support and help me. So we will meet you in my next class. Tab tak lage raho maths ke saath. Thank you, dear students. Fine. Copy this.